Okay, quick video on how to true up and dress your 11B9 wheel. We like to make a little bit of shape in them. This is a brake wheel truing device. It's set up so that there's some resistance, which makes it scuff. Also having the wheels slightly above center, that being center. We're going to come up to 1/2 inch. We're going to move the tower a little bit this way. The reason is that'll put some shape in the grind. And then you just bring them together slowly so they can kind of develop a relationship. A lot of times this wheel isn't round in the beginning and neither is that one, so you'll want to just bring it into touch. And go back and forth a little bit. What this has done is put a little bit of dish shape in it, and it's scuffed it off so that the edge is a little bit proud. By being above center, you're not directly driving the wheel, you're causing it to scuff a little bit. That's productive. And then we also like the outside to be kind of square. So once again, you can do the same thing, but you just bring in that. What you're doing is you're taking the really sharp edge off the wheel. So you just line it up and you bring it in till it begins to touch. And that, now you've taken a very fragile sharp edge off the wheel, which will make it last a little bit longer.